Hi, this video recorded on July 21st, 2020. There is one article in moneycontrol.com. Nifty up 560 points in 5 days like that. What a beautiful rally for Nifty in this July month. Now I am going to explain Nifty's trend from July 1st onwards. Just to go through the full video, I will explain part by part. See, first three trading sessions, one arrow mark, this one I have drawn. 3 consecutive days uptrend was there. That 3 trading sessions I have marked as arrow number 1. Now look at arrow number 2. There is a box. Inside that box, 5 trading sessions. Actually, those 5 trading sessions range bound trading, narrow, no breakout at all. Actually, I expected this tight range up to the expiry, but actually it lasted only for 5 days. Now look at this slide, arrow number 3. Actually that candle, it breached the trend line, upper trend line. That is 10,848. It breached. Then it touched 10,894.05. That is 200 DMA. What happened after touching the 200 DMA, market started reversing, it crashed. Lot of traders anticipated uptrend because it is a firm breakout like that. They have boarded, they gone long like that. They didn't expect the reversal. They gone long. But what happened that day itself, it reversed. It didn't close above that 10,848. It failed to close it above 10,848. What happened? Crash. Next 2 trading sessions, it broke on the support line. We will just look in the next slide. See, in this slide, I have marked arrow number 4. Actually, those 2-3 candles, it broke the support line, 10,677. It broken. Once it broken, it should have fallen further. But what happened? That arrow number 4, that third candle, it went upwards. See, in this arrow number 4 only, lot of traders shorted and they have got trapped. Now look at this slide. It started rising. It started rising means up to what level? Because earlier, lot of people were long, they got stuck. Some traders will never use stop loss. Those people also hanging. This, the arrow number 5 now, that candle, it should have been fizzled out at either at 10,848. Otherwise, again, that 200 DMA na 10,894.05 should have been fizzled out. It should have been fallen because a lot of people were long. In this candle only, that 5th candle, this one, breakout happened. Actually, this breakout should have been happened in arrow number 3. But this time, this breakout happened. Beautiful rally. See, arrow number 6. Super breakout. See that arrow number 5, one candle is there. Then arrow number 6, I have marked 3 candles in between this one breakout. Beautiful rally. See, this is the time to catch the trend like that. That's why market last 5 trading sessions it zoomed like that. Four trading sessions. It zoomed like a rocket. That reversal, lot of this one traders got trapped at lower levels. See, okay, now what is the uptrend? Some people may ask. As per monthly chart, actually, if I am using last month closing as a benchmark, this rally should have been over at 10,987. But it crossed and closed above that level. So that will be the 10,987 will be the cushion for this one for time being. Suppose if it breaks, then that trend 10,000 again that 10,894 200 DMA, then 10,848 like that. It will take care of. But as per monthly charts, you have to be very cautious. 11,641 is the target. Okay, I agree. But any bad news should not come at this stage, because as per monthly chart, if it started falling, it go up to last month high of 10,553. So you have to be careful, trade cautiously. And this one, trend is a friend. Believe the trend and you have to trade. What I'm telling, in further this one trading sessions, you have to take it as a day by day like that, day to day session. This one position you have to do that. Don't carry the position to next day. All the best.